You could go to sleep in there, man. That seating position is like fucking Phil. Nong nong. So I sat in it, and it is comfy. The E36 that fucked a Lambo. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Don't worry about me. That happens quickly. Come back quick.
It's not bad.
At least someone's worried about me.
Dude, see this? Oi, I put the fuel cap. Oi, I put the fuel cap back on so it wouldn't fill up full of shit.
That's a good idea.
All right. I don't know if you're putting fuel in it or what, but I put it back on. He's a mad scientist here. Sit, cunt. Oi, it was good to meet you, man.
You too, bro.
Oi. Sit, cunt. He's a mad scientist. That's Mike Lake. With cat.
If you can sprint for the GSR is better because the shift is. So this you got to cut.
So what's this one that's in it now?
So this is a G101.
Yep.
A T101. So you've got your two rods, and then we've just converted it with an S1 to sequential.
Oh, so you have used an S1 on it, same as the old boy with his with the Commodore down there.
Yep.
He's got the same. So do you rate the S1 sequential shifter?
Yes, on this box. Yeah. So I ran one on my T56 as well, and it was okay, but it shifts so quickly that the box, you're always having to.
This has got rev cut. Yeah, it's got a fucking.
Yeah, if we turn it on, we're not running it here, but
Nice. It's